Let's discuss question number 7. Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes were required, the bigger of dimensions 25 cm by 20 cm by 5 cm and the smaller of dimensions 15 cm by 12 cm by 5 cm. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 per 1000 square centimeter, then find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So let's figure out each kind of boxes. This is bigger box. Of dimension LVH equals to 25 centimeter, 20 centimeter by 5 centimeter. This one is a smaller box. Of dimension LBH equals to 15 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 5 centimeter. Here we have to check their total surface area, and after getting their total surface area, in order to get the cardboard required extra, we have to check 5% of the total surface area of each. So let's start with this bigger box. It's TSA. Let's TSA of this bigger box be A1. This equals to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. That's the TSA of bigger box. And here TSA of the smaller box, let this be A2, and this equals to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. So cardboard required for one bigger box. This equals to cardboard used for its TSA plus 5% of TSA extra. Similarly, cardboard required for one smaller box. This equals to A2 plus 5% of A2 extra. That is TSA plus 5% of TSA extra. Let's simplify this. It is A1 plus 5% of A1 will be 5 A1 upon 100. 5 ones are 5 20s are. So on simplification it is 21 A1 upon 20. Similarly, this on simplification is found 21a2 upon 20. Let's take the cardboard required for making one pair of these smaller and bigger boxes. Therefore, cardboard required for one pair of bigger and smaller boxes. This equals to 21a1 upon 20 plus 21a2 upon 20. This equals to 21 upon 20 is common, remaining a1 plus a2 square centimeter. We have to supply 250 boxes of each type. 250 bigger boxes and 250 smaller boxes. That's why the total pair of boxes supplied we have 250. So we calculate the total square centimeters of the cardboard required for supplying 250 pair of boxes. Thus, cardboard required for 250 pairs of boxes. This equals to 250 times of 21 upon 20 bracket a1 plus a2. That's the total square centimeter of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Now, in order to get the total cost of cardboard, we have to multiply the unit cost by the total square centimeter of the cardboard required. So, total cost of cardboard this we calculate by multiplying the unit cost. That's the cost to be paid for 1 square centimeter of the cardboard, and as rupees 4 is paid for rupees 1000 square centimeter, so cost to be paid for 1 square centimeter we have 4 upon 1000, rupees 4 upon 1000. That's the unit cost. This unit cost we have to multiply by total square centimeter of the cardboard. Let's simplify this. 250 fours are 1000. So this gets divided and this equals to rupees 21 upon 20 bracket a1 plus a2. We are a1 and a2. These are total surface area of smaller and bigger boxes. So let's calculate these a1 and a2. It is 2 LB 25 20s are. It is 500 plus BH 25s are 100 plus HL. It is 25 5s are 125. So this A1 equals to 2 into 725. This results to 1450 square centimeter. That's the total surface area of bigger box. Let's calculate the total surface area of a smaller box. So this is 2 LB. It is 15 into 12. 15 2s are 30. It is 180. Plus BH is 12 5s are 60. Plus HL is 15 5s are 75. So this A2 equals to 2 bracket 180 plus 60. It is 240. 240 plus 70. 240 plus 75. So it is 350. And this equals to 630 square centimeter. That's the total surface area of a smaller box. Let's use the values of A1 and A2 in this relation. So this equals to rupees 21 upon 20. Bracket A1 is 1450 plus A2 is 630. This equals to rupees 21 upon 20 multiplied by their sum is 2080. 20 ones are 20 and it is 20 fours are 80. So this amounts to rupees 21 fours are 84, 21 ones are 21. So that total cost of the cardboard used is rupees 2184. That's the required answer.